CD's services. Global teams. Global means throughout the world. Because if, say, a company in Gurgaon, India, now they are working with their company which is also having a setup at United States. So it's a global team. In different countries, the people are. So global software development is the today present scenario. But these GSD also have their unique challenges or opportunities or the thoughts. Like they need proper coordination between people, the teams, collaboration, the communication, talk, and how do they do the decision making. This is very important in this. Decision making. Everything is being done on Zoom, Google Team, or any desk. Every software are there to help us, right? So decision making, I'll take a specific thing here. Decision making is very important aspect here. And this is more complicated by certain factors. What is that? What is the complexity of the problem? If the problem is quite complex, the decision making will be more complex to get through. What are the risks and the uncertainty which is associated if the decision has been taken? Because the decision will not be taken in a meeting. It will be a global stuff, And what is the law of unintended consequences? That is, one person or one team does something, how this decision will have a ripple effect or propagated in an unintended way to the other objective. And different views of the problem, because everyone thinks differently. What are the different conclusions? So there is a complication in decision making when we talk about a global team. So as I said, various things are happening globally, and this is true with the software engineering as well. This is the figure which we would like to talk. This is the impact of distances on the challenges which the team face when they are doing it globally. So the barriers and the complexity, because the distance will complicate things. It will introduce certain problems. So the distance will complicate the communication. Somewhere it is day, somewhere it is night. So the coordination has to be there. And it introduces, as I said, there are cultural differences. Someone is talking in, say, Chinese accent. The other is in Nigerian accent. So one thing is to understand, to know what they are saying, and to draw the conclusion. So the use of this effective CDEs, which we talked about, this will dramatically reduce the impact of the distance, because distance is a barrier, but it will not stop the work. No work will be hindered. So this is all about the discussion here. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.